Welcome to Mind to Model, a channel built on one simple idea. Shape what you imagine. Here, I create beginning-friendly 3D models in Blender, turning simple ideas into clean and creative builds. From everyday objects and props to environments, vehicles, and architectural designs, everything starts from imagination and becomes something you can actually see and use. Whether you are learning Blender for the first time, exploring 3D for game development, designing models for 3D printing, or building your own creative projects, this channel shows you how simple it can be to start creating. You can follow along with step-by-step visual builds, see the full creative process, and use what you learn to create your own models. And for those who want to go farther, select models and project files will be available in the store for download and use in your own work. If you believe ideas can become something real, you are in the right place. Let's start building.